Ever feel like your finances are scattered across a million different apps? Bank account here, budgeting app there, crypto on another platform entirely? We've all been there. Juggling financial tools can be a nightmare, making it hard to get a clear picture of your cash flow. That's where financial management apps like Rocket Money come in. They promise to streamline your finances, negotiate bills, and even cancel unwanted subscriptions. But what if you also rely heavily on Cashapp for everyday transactions and maybe even a little Bitcoin dabbling? Can these two financial warriors coexist in harmony, or are they destined to be frenemies in your financial arsenal? Fear not, financially frustrated friend. Today, we're diving deep into the compatibility of Cashapp and Rocket Money. We'll explore what Cashapp offers, what Rocket Money brings to the table, and most importantly, can you connect them to become a financial dream team? Cashapp, the money mover. Let's face it, Cashapp is a game changer for many. It's a mobile payment service that lets you send and receive money with friends instantly, all for free. It also boasts a debit card linked to your account for swiping at stores or withdrawing cash at ATMs. But Cashapp's reach goes beyond simple transactions. You can use it to invest in stocks, buy and sell Bitcoin, and even get a direct deposit for your paycheck. The perks and potential pitfalls. Cashapp's convenience is undeniable. But before we crown it the king of all financial apps, there are a few things to consider. Transactions involving credit cards or business accounts come with fees. And while Cashapp offers some investment options, it may not be the most robust platform for seasoned stock pickers. Enter Rocket Money, the financial guardian. This is where Rocket Money swoops in. It's a subscription-based service designed to simplify your financial life. Here's what it brings to the table. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money boasts a team of ninjas, maybe negotiators, who can haggle down your cable, internet, and phone bills, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars a year. Subscription tracking. Rocket Money scans your accounts for recurring subscriptions you might have forgotten about, helping you identify and cancel those gym memberships you never use. Budgeting tools. Rocket Money helps you categorize your spending, set goals, and track your progress towards financial freedom. The big question, the Cashapp and Rocket Money connection. Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for. Can you connect Cashapp to Rocket Money to form a financial dream team? As of today, the answer is no. Rocket Money relies on a third-party service called Plaid to connect with your bank accounts. Unfortunately, Cashapp isn't currently supported by Plaid. But wait, there's hope. This doesn't mean all hope is lost. Here are a few workarounds to consider. Manual tracking. While not ideal, you can manually add your Cashapp transactions to Rocket Money. It's a little extra work, but it ensures you get a complete picture of your finances. Alternative budgeting apps. There are other budgeting apps that might integrate with Cashapp. Do some research and see if one might fit your needs better. The final verdict. Cashapp and Rocket Money aren't exactly best friends, yet. But they can still be valuable tools in your financial toolkit. Cashapp shines for mobile payments, casual investing, and that morning coffee fix. Rocket Money helps you become a financial superhero by negotiating bills, tracking subscriptions, and keeping you on track for your financial goals. While they can't directly connect at this time, with some workarounds and a little research, you can still leverage both to create a financial management system that works for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.